Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking bakery Instagram post. If you own or run a bakery shop, or want to start your own bakery shop and create a post for it, then this video is for you. You can create it yourself in Canva. The best part about Canva is that you don't have to create a design from scratch. You can simply find a good template for your needs, customize or modify it, and your post will be ready. Create your account in Canva and go to the search bar and type in Bakery Instagram Post. We're creating a post for Instagram, which is why you can now see the available Canva templates. Click See All to explore all the templates. You can find everything from minimal to professional-looking templates. You can customize any of them within a few minutes and modify them however you like. This one looks good, so I'll go with it. You can find free versions as well. This one is paid, but you can also find free templates. These are the free versions, so just choose one of them. If you have Canva Pro, then you can use the Pro templates. Just customize the template that interests you. Now you can see that I have full access, so I can customize anything I like, replace any element, and edit whatever I want. Let's start with text customization. If you want to add or replace any text, simply double-click it and add or remove text.
For more features, click on the text.
There are options for changing the font and color, so you can try them out. These are the available text customization features. Now let's move on to changing the color of the elements. For example, this is the element whose color I want to change. Here is the option for changing its color. You can choose whichever color you like. Now let's move on to the background. At the moment, there isn't an image attached as the background, so I'll replace it with my own image. To do that, go to Uploads and upload images from your computer. After that, I might choose a random image from Pinterest. This one looks good. I'll copy it and paste it into Canva. Just copy it, then paste it over here. Your image will appear here. You just need to drag and drop your image, or you can upload it from your computer. Like this. Just double-click on the image, and you can adjust your image's position as well. Or you can select everything, make it a bit smaller, and add the finishing touches, like this. In the same way, you can modify anything you like. You can add elements, change the colors to match your brand, and add your own details and information, text, logos, and images. When you're finished with your design and satisfied with it, rename your file, go to Share, click Download, and download it in PNG or any other format you need. Just download it, and your bakery Instagram post is ready to upload to Instagram. Thank you for watching.